For Lexus LX and GX drivers who enjoy off-road adventures and frequently navigate extremely tough terrain, they can activate their vehicle's advanced crawl control system to help ensure they get to their destination safely. Specially engineered to excel in challenging off-road conditions, Crawl Control enhances traction and stability over rough terrains. The feature manages engine output and brake pressure based on 5 driver-selected settings, allowing the vehicle to traverse slippery or uneven surfaces at a fixed lower speed. It also minimizes traction loss and vehicle slip for a stable off-road drive. To activate Crawl Control, the driver must first place the vehicle into low-range four-wheel drive. To do that, bring the vehicle to a complete stop. Shift the gear selector into neutral and engage low-range four-wheel drive by turning the four-wheel drive control switch to L4. Then move the gear selector back into drive. Now, press the DAC crawl switch to turn Crawl Control on. The indicator light will illuminate once activated. Next, select the desired speed mode using the Mode Select dial. 5 speeds can be chosen based on the type of terrain the vehicle is traveling on. Lower speeds are ideal when driving over rocks or climbing or descending a steep hill. And higher speeds are recommended for driving on snow-covered, muddy, or gravel trails. Deactivating Crawl Control is simple. Press the DAC crawl button and the indicator light turns off. Crawl Control can also automatically deactivate. That happens when shifting into park or neutral, and turning the four-wheel drive control switch to H4, or opening the driver's door. When using Crawl Control, there are some important limitations to keep in mind. It is not designed for dry pavement. Use it only for off-road terrains. It also operates at very low speeds. If the vehicle speed exceeds 25 kilometers per hour, the engine and brake control will stop temporarily, and it should not be overly relied upon for extended periods, such as some systems may overheat. For more information on Crawl Control, please consult your vehicle's owner's manual. Thank you for watching this Know Your Lexus video.